Yep.
Is it on you or stop? Are we good? All right, we're starting over. We're going to be doing a review on a 2001 Ford F-150 Flowmaster exhaust, right behind you. And a drive test on what it would sound like if you put a full Flowmaster exhaust on your truck. So on my truck, I have the dual exhaust on it, as you can see right here. Coming out this side and that side. It's a full Flowmaster from front to back. So I'm going to start it up for you guys, and I'm going to show you what a cold start sounds like. So as we're letting it warm up, as you see, it gives it a little bit more of a deeper sound than the stock would. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit, and I'm going to give you guys some revs. Right now we're going to do some test revs and show you what it sounds like as it's getting revved up. So as you guys see, you heard the sound, and here's what it looks like underneath. That's what the underneath looks like. Take for a little spin up and down the street so y'all can hear what it sounds like while it's driving. Anyways, I hope that helped y'all out on, stop getting so close, dude. Hope that helped y'all out on picking an exhaust for your truck. I have a 2001 Ford F-150 5.4 V8, and hope that helps y'all out on what to pick and what it sounds like. Thanks for watching.